In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a Visa gift card to Uber Eats. What we want to do is just first load up the Uber Eats app, and once we have the app open, we're going to click on account in the bottom right corner. After we have selected account, we need to go into our wallet. So just click on wallet here, and we will see payment methods, and just click on add a payment method. So from here, what we can do is select credit or debit card, because your Visa gift card is normally going to count as a debit card. And here you can input the card number, expiration date, CVV, and the country, obviously. Now, that was the first method. If it still doesn't work for you, if your Visa gift card just has some letters on it or numbers and not, it doesn't work as a debit card, what you can do is select gift card here, and you can type the PIN/gift code right here for your Visa gift card, and it should work that way. That was the second method. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.